CoCoMono, sing along, happy tunes all day long.
Come along and sing with me. Learn your ABCs with glee. CoCoMono's here to play. Let's learn letters every day. A for apple, A for ant. A is for apple, shiny and red. A is for ant, marching ahead. B for bat, B for ball. B is for bat that swings so high. B is for ball, we bounce to the sky. C for cat and C for cup. C is for cat with a cute little meow. C is for cup, let's have juice now. D for dog, D for dots. D is for dog who wags his tail. D is for dots in a polka dot trail. E for egg and E for elephant. E is for egg that's ready to crack. E is for elephant with a big strong back. F for frog, F for fish. F is for frog who hops so quick. F is for fish swimming with a flick. G for goat and G for grass. G is for goat munching on grass. G is for grass so green we pass. H for hand, H for hat. H is for hand that waves hello. H is for hat with a ribbon and bow. I for ink and I for insect. I is for ink in blue and black. I is for insect crawling on the track. J for juice, J for jar. J is for juice so fresh and sweet. J is for jar with a tasty treat. K for king and K for kite. K is for king with a crown so bright. K is for kite flying up in the light. L for lamb, L for leaf. L is for lamb, fluffy and white. L is for leaf, green and light. M for man and M for monkey. M is for man walking in the sun. M is for monkey swinging for fun. N for neck, N for nose. N is for neck with a necklace gold. N is for nose, sniffs when it's cold. O for ocean, O for oar. O is for ocean wide and blue. O is for oar that paddles through. P for plum, P for parrot. P is for plum, juicy and round. P is for parrot making funny sound. Q for queen and Q for quail. Q is for queen with a golden gown. Q is for quail hopping around town. R for rope, R for rat. R is for rope you can jump and play. R is for rat that runs away. S for sun and S for sunflower. S is for sun shining bright above. S is for sunflower full of love. T for tap, T for tub. T is for tap that drips and drops. T is for tub with bubbly hops. U for uncle, U for umbrella. U is for uncle smiling wide. U is for umbrella on a rainy ride. V for violet, V for violet. V is for violin, play a song. V is for violet all day long. W for well and W for water. W is for well deep in the ground. W is for water, splashing sound. X for box, X for fox. X is for box where we hide our toys. X is for fox who loves some noise. Y for yacht and Y for yellow. Q is for yacht sailing so mellow. Y is for the color we call yellow. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Z is for zoo where animals stay. Z is for zebra with stripes all day. We've learned letters, now we're smart. With CoCoMono, we've made a start. Sing again and you will see how fun it is to learn ABC.